Hello everyone, this is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. We're all aware of what happened on Friday with the new breakout above the all-time highs, previous all-time highs here on the SPX. And I personally feel that this is a significant event. Now, I know that all chart structures can fail. We can come up here, look around a little bit, and then fall back out of it. I feel like everything has been very strongly bullish for a while now in the markets. And when I see something like this on the daily chart where we spent this much time here, where sellers had an opportunity to take this and move it down, but they couldn't do it. And so I'm going to treat this until further notice as a significant event. And we also know that we are, joining company with the Dow. Go back to a weekly chart here. That has been holding nicely above its high from before. We also have the NDX, we're all probably very well aware of, that has made another strong move now, clearing its previous high. So we have the stars lining up. So also don't underestimate, let me use the IWM here, don't underestimate what could happen here in the small caps either. As we look at this chart, we can see that the price bounced pretty soundly last week off of this range where the auction has responded many weeks at this level. And so I'm going to be watching this as well for opportunity. But for me going forward in my trading, like I said, I'm going to treat this all as very bullish. I think that this is going to wake up a lot of investor money to come into the market. And so when I look at individual stocks now, I want to realize that the tide is probably coming in. And so here's an idea based on everything I'm just seeing here with Caesars Entertainment. And this is just an interesting chart pattern here where we have the auction coming in underneath. And it has a clear zone right here where these consolidations have separated themselves. And I feel that if we move into this area to where we can break this trend line, if the tide keeps coming in, so to speak, with the market lifting all ships, then a long trade here with not that big of a stop necessary down here, maybe at $46, to catch a ride here on Caesar Entertainment to see if we can get a swing up into this upper area here. And I don't know if it'll go all the way back to 60, but it can be monitored for continuation if that breakout takes place. So that's a trade idea. And generally speaking, I would say watch all of your stock picks, all of your watch list. I think we're going to have possibly the realization here that the tide is coming in, and it could be very opportune, create great opportunity for many different stocks at this point. So limited time here to go through other charts, but just saw this one, and this one's on my list to watch and see what happens. And I thought I'd share that with you today.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.